What is good, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the Satoshi Aoki YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to be talking about Drip Network and its Drip token, which is running on Binance Smart Chain, and how you can potentially earn 365% per year. 1% per day with this awesome deflationary token. If you like learning and hearing about the best ways to earn passive income online through cryptocurrency, then make sure you drop a like on this video, sub to my channel, and turn the notification bells on so you do know when new videos do come out. And always remember to do your own research on all of the topics I do cover on this channel, because I'm not a financial advisor. These videos are never financial advice. So there are many cryptocurrency projects at the moment in 2021 that use the model of inflation to give out rewards for people or their community members that are staking on their platform. Unfortunately, of course, by doing this through inflation, you are eventually going to inflate that token price too much, and there is always that risk that the actual price of the token over sort of the medium and long term can decrease in value. What really interested me a lot about the Drip network and the Drip token within it and its staking mechanism is that it actually uses a 10% tax on transactions within the network, and also if people are buying the Drip token, or I should say swapping on PancakeSwap, and from that 10% tax that is applied, that tax is actually being distributed to holders that are staking Drip in the form of those staking rewards, and they're not using this inflation. So that is what creates a deflationary token for the Drip token, and it leaves me feeling really confident about the investment long term. On top of that, the tokenomics are fantastic. There is only currently 1 million supply of Drip, okay? So you can imagine there is huge room for upwards price movement. We will be having a look at the price action of the Drip token shortly when we do check out the platform. There is also a minting function built into the smart contract upon construction, and it's really built in quite a genius way in that there will only ever be Drip tokens actually minted if absolutely necessary to pay out token holders. All right, so now that little intro is out of the way, we're actually gonna head over to the platform now, and I'm actually gonna be buying some Drip token with my BNB. Gonna be swapping it on there in a non-custodial manner, and then once we've got the Drip, we're gonna actually test out the staking feature. Whenever I'm staking, doing yield farming or anything like that for the first time, I always like to go in with a smaller amount, test it out for maybe a day or so, just to make sure I've done everything correctly, and then once I'm feeling confident, I then go and put in the bigger amount. So I don't necessarily recommend that you necessarily do that, okay? But that's just my approach, just to ensure that I am doing things properly. If by the end of this video you are keen on giving the Drip network a go, I will leave the link that you can use at the top in the description of this video. There will also be a buddy link there which you can actually input, and it'll support the channel as well as help you get set up into this invite-only Drip network. As I did mention, the Drip network and the Drip token itself is a BSC token, okay? So it's running on the Binance Smart Chain. So what you will need to do to get that set up, if you don't have a MetaMask wallet already, it does come with an ERC20 default wallet on there. You are going to need to add a custom blockchain, being the Binance Smart Chain. It might sound complicated if you are new to the crypto space, but I assure you it is most definitely not complicated at all. I will leave a full tutorial video link to check out at the end of this video right here that tells you exactly how to do that. And on top of that, I'll also leave the links and instructions of how to actually get MetaMask and then attach Binance Smart Chain very easily, because that's what you're going to need to basically connect your MetaMask wallet via Binance Smart Chain to the Drip network. And then from there, you're also going to need a Binance account to get your hands on some BNB if you don't have any already. And you can actually get that through Binance.com. So again, I'll leave a link for Binance at the top of the description of this video as well. And that's the best place where you can get the BNB token. If you're already holding some BNB on some other platforms, or you're already signed up on some other platforms where you can acquire some BNB token, what you would need to do is you would need to take that BNB token, withdraw it, and then send it to your MetaMask wallet on the Binance Smart Chain, and then you're going to have your BNB on the MetaMask wallet, and you can use that to swap for the amount of Drip that you want, as well as actually pay for gas fees for any yield farming or anything that you're doing on the MetaMask wallet through Binance Smart Chain. However, if any of those points do confuse you at all, feel free to drop me some questions in the description of this video. And also I've got a free Telegram group where you can jump in there and ask any questions you want. I would also like to say that the actual Drip token can be acquired through PancakeSwap. You have the MetaMask wallet with the Binance Smart Chain attached. It's exactly the same thing, except you're connecting your MetaMask wallet to PancakeSwap as well as Drip network. The only downside about that is you're going to get charged the 10% 10% tax when you do go for the swap and get your drip token from PancakeSwap. But if you actually go and do it directly through Drip Network, which is how I'm going to be doing it in today's video, the actual 10% tax will be waived, okay? Alrighty, let's head on over to the platform right now, have a bit of a skim through, and let's get some drip and get it staking for that 365% per year. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, so we are on Drip Community now, and this is the Drip Network. So just remember, I will leave all the necessary links at the top of the description of this video, as well as the buddy link for when you want to get amongst this. So Drip Network is the latest project developed by Forex_Shark, BB and team. So Forex Shark is an anonymous dev who's actually been in the help of construction of some actually really nice, successful and interesting projects. And I actually find, from what I've experienced so far, this Drip Network itself, purely based on tokenomics and the early stage of this project, that it does have some serious potential for sort of price appreciation in the future. So you can actually get in contact with Forex Shark there, you can get in contact with BB there, and I highly recommend at least what you do is scroll down to the bottom of this page and you can actually join them on Telegram, okay? But I'll also leave a direct link for the Telegram group, which does have just around 3,000 members on that group, so you can get in there and actually chat with other members of the Drip community as well. The official token of the Drip Network is DripBEP20 on the Binance Smart blockchain, BSC, that captures value by being scarce, as we did talk about, deflationary and censorship resistant, and by being built on a robust, truly decentralized blockchain, being the BEP20. The recommended exchange for trading drip in the found contract, which can be found directly on the platform soon, as it allows us to waive the initial 10% tax. I did talk about that before, versus sort of getting on PancakeSwap on buys, and provides the lowest prices and highest liquidity, resulting in less slippage for larger trades. Okay folks, so as you can see here, this is my MetaMask wallet here. I do already have it attached here, okay? MetaMask is in the top right corner there, just in the little toolbar there. I'm going to scroll down the page, and we are going to now use our BNB and trade to acquire our first bit of drip. Alrighty folks, so we are on the fountain section now, so let's scroll down and just have a bit of a look here. So as you can see, this is my BNB balance currently that I have in my BNB wallet, 0.0697 BNB. That's pretty cool. I like that they give you the USDT equivalent there, $44.253, okay? This is the current price, okay, that we're paying there, the exchange rate there, and this is my current drip balance. So what I'm really liking about this platform, or this network, I should say, straight off the bat, is its simplicity, really easy to navigate and understand. So now, I'll also like to add that always make sure you are leaving sort of maybe at least $5 worth of BNB in your MetaMask wallet to account for any gas fees that you may have to pay, just generally when you're using sort of the MetaMask wallet, whether it's through this platform or yield farming or anything like that that does involve Binance Smart Chain. So we're just going to input an amount here, okay? I'm going to go for maybe 0.06 and leave a little bit in there for gas fees, okay? So we go 0.06, I'm going to input that there, okay? And if we just have a look here, ladies and gentlemen, estimated received drip is going to be 6.3523 drip, and the minimum received is going to be 6.1618 with a slippage tolerance of 3%. So that's pretty cool. I like that it gives the sort of minimum received and the estimate received. That gives me a lot of confidence to go forward with the trade. And then on the right-hand side, we've got the option to sell the drip as well. So we're just going to put this straight through, and we're going to buy, folks. Alrighty folks, so I'm getting my little gas fee there. It's absolutely nothing, 0.000939 gas there in BNB, cheap as chips. We're going to confirm that transaction. And you have it right there, ladies and gentlemen. That only took about sort of 10 seconds. The transaction is a success. Purchase successful, okay? Your transaction link is here, okay? So we've got that available there as well. And as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, instantly, I love that, my drip balance has been topped up. So as you can see there, I got 6.35 drip in here, okay? Won't read out all those numbers, and that equates to 37.414 USDT. And I got a nice bit of gas there of BNB that I can use, okay, for any gas transactions that I will have to use. So how easy was that? We got our drip in literally just a few seconds. Now we're going to head over and try and stake it. Before we do head on over and actually stake our drip for that juicy 365% per year, we're going to check out the chart, okay? So as you can see, it's been a pretty steady increase in price over time, okay? So we're currently sitting at 5.85, and we had sort of an all-time high of around 5.87 here, which was actually in May, so not that long ago, but generally quite a nice sort of upwards trajectory in price since sort of around the 8th of May, which I quite like there. So make sure you do check out this information yourself. I will leave it all in the description of this video. And if we go down and have a look at the statistics here, Fountain is the best way to exchange value in the drip network. Here are the numbers. So complete transparency here through the smart contract, okay? So So I'm really enjoying this. So we've currently got the supply here, 379K, not too much at all. The contract balance here is 3.549K, okay, so that's the drops in there, and the transactions, 4,717. All right, let's try and stake this bad boy now. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, so we are on the faucet section here. We've got available balance here, deposits, claimed, rewarded, max payout team. So they are going to be your statistics once you get your own set up there. I would also like to mention you will need a minimum of 10 drip to actually get involved in staking. I did actually originally only have 6, so I just headed back on over, and now I have 11.6. Okay, it was so easy, so quick to actually get that drip. Okay, I love the ease of this platform. It's really, really nice. So we're going to go here and have a look. You can see here my drip balance is 11.64. Okay, we're going to go for the max, because why not? As you can see here, minimum of 10 drip required for deposits, and a 10% tax is charged on deposits. Okay, so you know, whilst you may not appreciate a 10% tax, just try and have a bit more of a holistic understanding in the fact that this 10% tax is going to be part of the reason why you're getting paid at 365%. Okay, so it's all about sharing the love. Okay, and I love that it's kind of like an nice even distribution between the community. Okay, you've also got some options to hydrate, which is recompound, which is pretty cool, and you can actually claim your drip there. So let's hit the deposit button and see how we go. Alrighty, folks, so it says bud up, missing buddy, lock in a buddy before making a deposit, use a referral link or support marketing / development. Okay, so this is where I will input the link for you to see of my friend, and you can see how that works in real time. Alrighty, folks, so it's really easy. We just do need to scroll down the page. As you can see, current buddy none. We're going to input the address there. I will leave your buddy address in the description of this video, so make sure you grab that one before you do get started. Alrighty, folks, so it's just asking me to confirm that buddy address there on MetaMask, so press confirm. And buddy updated, that is confirmed on MetaMask transaction success. Buddy updated, your transaction link is here. So we'll press OK. All right, the buddy has been updated there. Okay, so that's all in. Current buddy, all right, the address is there. That's all good. So we can click off that. We can go back up to the max amount of deposit. Click deposit. We get another MetaMask notification on the top right of screen. Alrighty, folks, so the deposit was successful. So as you can see here, my deposits are here. Drip, I got 62.11 USDT worth of drip in the deposits, 10.481 drip, okay? My claim drip will come here, okay? And the max payout is 38.257 drip here. The Drip Network's faucet is a low risk, high reward contract that operates similarly to a high yield certificate of deposit, okay? So we did have a look at the Get a Buddy section here, the checkout drippers section here, okay? Some more information about here, which you can also have a look, as well as the contract here, which will be down the bottom as well. Alrighty, folks, so we are on the reservoir section here. Now, I'm not going to be doing anything with the reservoir in this video, but drop me a like on this video if you like content like this, and let me know if you'd like to see me get amongst the reservoir as well. So you can actually use your BNB and actually do a bit of yield farming in here as well, which I think is pretty cool. There's also a compound and claim section here. Reservoir is the Drip Network solution for players that want to benefit from non-inflationary yield farming through adding liquidity to drip, and you've got the statistics here as well. Again, guys, I'm really enjoying the transparency here, okay? So you can see what's in the dividend pool here. You can see the total value locked, the contract balance, the transaction rewards, and the amount of players currently sits at 249, guys. So look, you know, it's always a good opportunity to get in on these projects at the early stages. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, what did you think of Drip Network and the Drip token? If you have any questions at all, make sure you jump on my Telegram group. Make sure you connect with Drip Network and all of their socials. They do have a great little Telegram group there as well. All the necessary links will be in the description of this video. And if you want to get started earning 365% per year, I will leave the link and the buddy address at the top of the description of this video. So make sure you do check that one out, and let me know if you would like to see more content like this. So from wherever you are watching from in the world, have a blessed one and a profitable one in the crypto space, and we'll catch you in the next video. Cheers.